Hello friend, welcome to Digital Study, your true oil user. I am SN Hawk, and today, as you know, I will discuss the current affairs of 18 May. So friend, before starting this, please subscribe my channel and allow all notification to get notification of all my videos. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, let's start. The first question of today. Who has topped the list of world's 50 greatest leaders of Fortune list? Very important question. The right answer of this question is Jacinda Ardern. So Jacinda Ardern is the present Prime Minister of New Zealand. Jacinda Ardern, the PM of New Zealand, topped this list for controlling the spread of coronavirus in this country. So some additional factor, Adar Poonawalla, the CEO of Serum Institute of India, has come 10th of this list for supplying 90% of COVID-19 vaccine across the India. This is also a very important news. So we will go to the second question. Who has come first of 69th Miss Universe Award 2021? The right answer of this question is Andrea Massa. Option C, Andrea Massa is the right answer. So this competition was held at Seminar Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Hollywood, Florida, USA. Susmita Sen and Leela Datta, two Indian, has got this prize in 1994 and 2000 respectively. This is also an important news. Third question of today. Which state government announced to make 10 lakh fixed deposit for the children who orphaned due to COVID-19? So the right answer of this question is option 4, Andhra Pradesh. So recently Andhra Pradesh government has taken this initiative of giving 10 crore fixed deposit to the children who lost their parents or guardian in the surge of COVID-19. Some information about Andhra Pradesh. The CM of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jagmohan Reddy. Governor of Andhra Pradesh is Biswabhushan Harichandan. So fourth question of today. Who is appointed as the People's Advocate of COP26 for climate change? So option A, David Attenborough is the right answer of this question. He is from UK. The UK, in partnership with Italy, will host 26 UN Climate Change Conference of the Parties or COP26. This will be organized in Glasgow. Which ministry releases the first batch of DRDO anti-COVID drug? Very important question. Do you know the name of the ministry? This DRDO anti-COVID drug was launched by Defense Ministry. So the first batch of this Doxy-D-glucose or 2DG is released by the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. This medicine is made by Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO. Sixth question of today. Recently, which state government has launched Matri Duar Yojana? Matri Duar Yojana for children. So the right answer of this question is option B, Chhattisgarh. So by this initiative, this is BY by this initiative, student will be provided facilities like classroom, study material, video lesson, educational game and homework, etc. The CM of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel and the Governor of Chhattisgarh is Anuswa Uike. Seventh question. Recently, which state government launched Mera Gaon Corona Mukto Gaon campaign? Very important question. So, do you know the answer of this question? The answer of this question is option C, Gujarat. So, by this initiative, governor will supply essential things like medicine, ration, masks, etc. to the people. And the Chief Minister of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. The governor of Gujarat is Acharya Devarath. So, eighth and last question of today. Recently, RBI has cancelled the license of which bank? This is also an important question. So, recently RBI has cancelled the license of United Cooperative Bank Limited. So, the headquarters of United Cooperative Bank Limited is Kolkata. The governor of RBI is Shaktikanta Das. It is founded in 1935 and the headquarters of RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, is Mumbai, Maharashtra. So friend, the answer of this question which I provided to you yesterday. Who has become the 14th administrator of NASA? The answer of this question is Bill Nelson. What is the name of the president of Israel? The right answer of this question is Benjamin Netanyahu. And the book Elephant is written by whom? The right answer of this question is Paul Prickley. So, additional 3 questions for you which you will answer by comment. What is the name of the currency of Israel? And second question, which organization has made Troop Mark 3 MR helicopter? And third question, recently who has won Spanish Grand Prix? So you will answer this question through comments. So friend, that's all for today. Please like my video and share this as much as possible. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, that's all for today. Good morning and goodbye. Thank you.